Hi! Welcome to the family tube! What? Wait a minute. Well, we're supposed to be having an unboxing. And I think now she's going to come see what's behind the camera. Well, this is the family tube. And we're about to do an unboxing. It's a family tube!
It's a family tube.
Unboxing!
Unboxing.
Let's open it up!
Let's open it up.
Let's open it up! Open the box!
Let's open the box.
Yes, open it up. Yeah! Whoa! What's this? Okay, everybody, open it up, crazy! Yeah! And the setup is started. Alright, run the bumper.
Let's open it up.
Okay, let's open it up. Wow! What's in there? Wow! Hey, let's open it up. Let's open it up. Let's open it up. Alright, wow! Let's open it up. What else are we gonna open? Say hi. Let's open it up. Look at the camera. Welcome to the family too! Yay! Yeah. We're gonna unbox. We're gonna open your Christmas gift. It's February, and we're gonna open your box, right? You wanna open the box?
Yeah.
Okay. Come on. Okay. All you have to do. Okay, look. This box here is a big old gift, a box for Christmas. And hi, this is Daddy B. And she's ripping up the box. I put a bunch of toys, extra stuff in here. It basically was her giant stocking stuffer, and we never got to open it because I have to make videos, and she already has enough. And we're about to open some toys! Whoa! We got Sasha bag stuff, but today we're going to open Pop's Twilight Sparkle and Flutter something Fluttershy, right? PopVinyl metal ponies. You really excited? It's the family tube unboxing.
Yeah.
What are you going to open? My little Funko, yes, Funko Pop Vinyl. It's Fluttershy and Twilight Sparkle, the Walmart exclusive.
Let's open it up.
Yeah, let's open it up. Okay, don't rip up the box. You know me from Native Tube and IG. We gotta get the box good. What do you want? You want Twilight Sparkle?
Open it up. Let's open it up.
Let's open it up. Okay. It's a nice box here. The drawing, blah, 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 blah. And we're just gonna see what the kids like. You're finally gonna get a Twilight Sparkle. Look at the camera. Ooh, you like it?
Yeah, I like it.
You like it? Look,
Let me open the
look, she turns her head. Ooh, does she look like this?
Yeah.
She looks like your balloon. Oh, Twilight Sparkle.
Yeah.
Here's the box. We'll put the box away later. Now you want, who's this?
This one.
What's her name? Fluttershy?
Yeah.
Fluttershy.
Let's open it up.
Let's open it up. Alright, there we go. What's going on, Eli? You like the show? He didn't say anything. Eli Elmo, folks. Oh! You happy? Look at that, Fluttershy. I'll keep the box later. Actually, this is what I do, by the way. Since she's gonna play with them, and I'm a big old nerd, I keep the box for later. It has exclusive sticker on it, folks. And we're gonna make it glow in the dark, Twilight Sparkle. I'll do that video soon. You like it? Family tube unboxing, you having fun? Look, Fluttershy. You can turn her head around, you can pose. Oh, okay. Okay. You want to introduce her to the original ponies? Here's another. Here's a fake one. Here's what's the name? Rainbow Dash?
Yeah.
The Rainbow Dash thing. It's a fake one. Woo! There's some more little tiny ponies. Ponies!
Unicorns.
Say bye-bye for the... Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, people.
Bye-bye, people.
Yay! You rip it up? Okay, let's see how you play with your ponies. You like your ponies?
Take this off.
What are you going to take off?
This one.
I don't think you could take this off. This is Fluttershy. She's trying to take off the back, the wings. I don't think you can. Anyways, Fluttershy, you can mount, you can put her on a stand. So just basically, these guys are basically statues, right? Same thing with Twilight Sparkle.
Twilight
Oh boy,
Sparkle.
that's her Twilight Sparkle. What happened? Now she's gone. Oh no. By the way, this is her big VTech magical castle. I don't know where she's going. She's gone. Don't look at the rest of the house. It's raining and we're gone. And this is gonna glow in the dark, and I'll try to do an experiment after. It's raining. Bye bye, Eli and Elmo. The Elmos. Yes. There is a balloon, Elmo. It's raining. Say bye bye.
Bye-bye.
From the family tube. Bye bye, unicorn. She's done. And here comes the Grinch. Ah.